Frankenstein novel and Krish 3 movie as a science fiction. First of all, say science fiction. Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction that typically deal with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as advanced science and technology, space exploration, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. So, Frankenstein novel. Frankenstein novel published in 1st January 1818. The Modern Prometheus novel is written by Mary Shelley in 1870. The Modern Prometheus is another name of Frankenstein novel. Novel based on science fiction and human nature. Mary Shelley's novel concerned with two main levels as science fiction and human nature. Frankenstein considerable the first true science fiction story. Next is Krish 3 movie. Krish 3 is a science fiction movie released on 1st November 2013, directed by Rakesh Roshan, written by Henry Irani and Robin Hood. Rohit Mehra, a scientist in the movie. So Rohit Mehra is researching a device that will bring life to dead tissue by the use of solar energy. So here I am conclude Frankenstein as a fiction science fiction novel. Frankenstein is a fiction novel by Mary Shelley. So here dangerous aspect of experience in the scientific field is the subject matter of novel. What he create or what he want to do in the science fiction. So protagonist Victor Frankenstein is a scientist and driven by ambition of a scientific curiosity. So Victor is a representative figure of modern science who create a monster due to his focus on scientific knowledge. Monster is in the Frankenstein novel. Monster is itself a scientific investigation of the protagonist. The monster, Victor's creation itself, a kind of scientific achievement around the whole plot structure is designed in the Frankenstein novel. So Victor's creation through the reanimation of dead body part and create a monster through science and technology. Victor's education as a man of science and his experiment with creature demonstrate that how the novel established distinct kind of experimental investigation into life. So there is his experience with creature demonstrate investigation into life that experimental create a monster into life. Novel is symbolic for the development of modern science in the Frankenstein. So the holistic plot structure of the novel move around scientific subject matter. So novel can be analyzed as science fiction. Let's see Krish 3 movie as a science fiction. Krish 3 is a science fiction movie directed by Rakesh Roshan. Rohit Mehra is a scientist. He is researching a device that will bring life to dead tissue by use of solar energy. In the movie, we see the character of Carl. He was a handicapped evil genius who possesses telekinetic power, and through his power, he creates a team of human-animal power called Manverse through science and technology. So, in the novel, in the movie, Rohit also creates antidotes through science and technology, and that antidotes can help to save the life of other people in the movie. But in the movie, Carl creates a team of human animal in disaster form. So in the movie, Kal is also a son of by not the blood but by use science and science fiction and technology. There is a, we can say that there is a father and son's relationship in the movie, Kal and Rohit, between Kal and Rohit, and in the novel also we find a father and son's relationship through science and technology, not blood relation but science and technologies. Aim of creation. In the Frankenstein novel, creature creates a monster. He can discover the secret of life and learn how to renew life through science and technology. And then this discoveries convert into dangerous form. Monster become dangerous to people in the novel. And in the Krish 3 movie, creature creates a team of human-animal hybrid called Manvas. His aim was destroy to world through science and technology. And Manvas become dangerous for people in the movie. So conclusion, Frankenstein novel and Krish 3 movie both are show as science fiction. Creature creates a creation through science and technology in the both novel and movie. Creature's success is rewarded as a horrible situation in Frankenstein novel and as well as in Krish 3 movie. So monster and manvers become dangerous for people in both the novel as well as in movie. So here is some references.